So here is how to create a private room in Call of Duty Mobile. All you have to do is launch the game on your device and then choose the mode that you'd like to create a private room for. So you can select multiplayer mode or battle royale. So let me just select multiplayer. And then once you select the mode, all you have to do is select on this button or icon in the top right corner, select it. And then from the menu that appears, simply select private. Now you can close this menu. You'll see this menu, but you can just simply close it. So once you're here, you have created your room. Now you can customize the room to suit your needs, or you can customize it to enable, or rather to suit your needs. So all you have to do is just select the match settings. And then from here, you can customize all these options: the kill limit, the time limit, the number of spectators allowed, the room password, if you want to allow invite, if you want to record that session, and all these informations that might appear. Also, you can simply tap on more to customize others, like you can add the HP for each players, you can increase the jump height, you can increase the energy recovery rate. If you want limited ammo, you can enable that. If you want limited throwables, you can enable that. And then you can choose the weapons that you want to be available for that particular room. So let's say shotgun, and then tap on save, and the changes will be applied. Now you can simply change the map by tapping here, this map icon, and then choose the preset if you want a quick solo, or you can just select this is the default preset, quick solo, or you can just select core, and you should see all these modes that appear. So let's say, for instance, if you want to say team deathmatch, select confirm, and then I should see the room change. Now you can simply add players, so simply tap on the icon, or rather simply tap on the invite button, sorry, and then from here you can add your friends, or you can add your friends, your clan members if you're in a clan, or you can add the recent met players. So that's basically it on how to create a private room in Call of Duty Mobile. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.